Good morning, students. Today's topic is reciprocal of a fraction. So first of all, students, we have to understand the meaning of reciprocal. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse of the fraction. Multiplicative inverse means if a number is 1 by 2, that is a fraction, and if we have to write it multiplicative inverse, that's mean this is the numerator and this is our denominator. So after multiplicative inverse, first denominator and then after numerator will come. Now the fraction become 2 by 1. That is called reciprocal. Okay, friends. For example, if a fraction 3 by 2, then 2 by 3 is called the reciprocal of the fraction. Okay, friends. Now, if the product of fractions and its reciprocal, if we find out the fractions and product of its reciprocal, it always equals to 1. How? Because 2 cancel by 2 and 3 cancel by 3. Answer is 1. We can check with another example. For example, the fraction is 2 by 9. Then its reciprocal 9 by 2. Their product 2 by 9 multiply 9 by 2. 9 cancel out with 9 and 2 cancel out with 2. What will get the answer? 1. So always you have to remember the product of a fraction and its reciprocal. The product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. And what is the other name of reciprocal? That is multiplicative inverse. So if the question arises, write the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. No need to confuse. That's mean what you have to do there. You have to write their reciprocal. So the question can be arise in both way. First, you can write reciprocal, otherwise write multiplicative inverse. Now, on behalf of this one, we are going to solve our exercise, that is 2.4. In exercise 2.4, the question number first, that is fill in the blank. In the first fill up, they ask by which number I multiply 3 by 22, then I get the answer 1. Now above only we have discussed, if a fraction multiply with its reciprocal, we get the answer 1. So what will be the fraction? 22 by 3. 22 by 3 multiply by 3 by 22, we get the answer 1. Its second part, 5 multiply by what? Then easily we get the answer 1. If any whole number is given, how to write it reciprocal? We assume that their denominator is 1. Now it becomes the fraction, that is 5 by 1, and its reciprocal 1 by 5. How we get the 1? 5 cancel out with 5, then we get the answer 1. Third part, 2 by 13. How we get the answer 1? Try to find out. Yes, we can write it reciprocal, that is 13 by 2, and we get the answer. Now another example I am going to solve, that is given in the form of mixed fraction. That is its fifth part. 9 by 25 multiply with 2 7 by 9. What will be the answer? that we have to find out. No need to confuse. First of all, solve the mixed fraction in improper fraction. So 9 by 25, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 7, that is 25, and denominator will remain same, 9 only. What we observe from here, students? We observe the fraction is 9 by 25 and the next fraction is reciprocal of it, that is 25 by 9. And when we multiply a fraction with its reciprocal, then we get the answer always 1, because 25 1 ja 25, 9 1 ja 9, and the answer is 1. Now in this way we have solved the first question, that is given in the form of filler. Now move toward the question number 2. In question number 2, they have asked, find the reciprocal of each. So very easy. The first they have given 5. So what is the reciprocal of 5? Denominator is not given. Assume 1, that is 1 upon 5. Randomly part I am taking here, but you have to solve all part. 9th part, 5 4 by 7. The first fraction given in mixed fraction, so convert in improper. 7 5 is 35, 35 plus 4, 39 by 7. And its reciprocal is 7 by 39. Now in this way, students, we have solved all the questions of exercise 2.4, question number 1 and 2. I will send you the pic of exercise and you have to solve all the parts of question number 1 and 2. Student, now one question arises in my mind. What is the use of this reciprocal? Why we learned this reciprocal here? Have you any idea why we have learned? If no, now I am going to tell. Reciprocal is helpful in division of fraction. Where it helpful? In division of fraction. That is our other topic. That's why we learned the first reciprocal. With the help of reciprocal, easily we can divide the fraction. How? If a fraction a upon b divided by another fraction a upon b, I have written the same only. How to divide this one? Friends, here we require the term reciprocal. How? The first, whenever you are going to divide the two fraction, keep remember, always the first fraction will remain same. We will write as it is. There is no change in first fraction. Mostly the students are doing common mistake. What is that? They reciprocal the first. No. The first fraction will write as it is. What is the sign between them? Divide. What is the opposite sign of divide? That is multiply. We can say multiplicative inverse, reciprocal of divide is multiply. So if we change the sign divide into multiply, what happened with the fraction given after divide? Then it will be reciprocal and we get the fraction b by a. Now here we solve this one. I repeat again. First fraction will remain same. There is no change in first fraction. If we change the divide sign into multiply, divide sign change into multiply. So after divide sign, whatever the fraction is given, we write their reciprocal. A upon b, that's mean b upon a. And now after easily we can solve this one. B cancel by b and a cancel by a. What will be the answer? That is 1. That's mean if a by b divide by a by b, we get the answer 1. Now I want to clear this division of fraction with the help of one another example. For example, you have to divide 3 by 7 divide by 2 by 9. So according to the rule, first fraction will remain same. There is no change in first fraction. So 3 by 7 will remain as it is, 3 by 7. Divide sign change into multiply. And whenever we change the sign into multiply, after the divide sign, whatever the fraction is given, we take their reciprocal. So 2 by 9, 9 by 2. Now solve it. When we solve, 9 3s are 27 and 7 2s are 14. What is the answer? 27 by 14. If you want to convert in mixed fraction, you can convert. That is 13 upon 14 is the answer. What we did here? We divide a fraction with fraction. Now the question arises, if a whole number divide with fraction, another example number 2. If a whole number is 4, divide with any fraction 2 by 3. How to solve this one? Students, I already told, whenever they have given the whole number, convert in fraction by writing denominator 1. Now the question arises in your mind, why we writing always 1 as a denominator? Why we are not writing another number? Yes, the reason is that if any number divide by 1, the answer always number itself. There is no effect on the number will remain same. That's why always we write denominator as a 1. Now solve this one. The first fraction will remain same. Divide change into multiply. 2 by 3, 3 by 2. If is it possible to cancel out, otherwise numerator multiply with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1. 6 by 1, then directly we can write 6 is the answer. So we divide 4, divide by 2 by 3, we get answer 6. Okay friends, on the behalf of this one, we are going to solve our exercise 2.5. In exercise 2.5, first question, like this question only, that we have to solve. Now I am going to solve its third question number 3. 5 by 8 divide by 3. When a fraction divide with a whole number, what will be the answer? According to the rule, first if any whole number is given, convert in fraction by writing denominator 1. First fraction will remain same. Divide change in multiply. 3 by 1, 1 by 3. Now numerator multiply with numerator and denominator multiply with denominator. 5 1 ja 5, 8 3 ja 24. If 5 by 8 divide by 3, we get answer 5 by 24. Now one more example. We are going to solve its question number 5. They have given, if a mixed fraction divide by another fraction, what will be the answer? First of all, mixed fraction convert in improper. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 4, 34 by 5. Divide by 7 by 35. Now first fraction will remain same. Students, I remind you again and again, always first fraction will remain same. We reciprocal the fraction whatever given after divide sign, because I observe many times what the students are doing, the reciprocal the first one and then after solve the equation. That is wrong, students. Always first fraction will remain same and we take the reciprocal after the divide sign. So first And when we take the reciprocal, when we change divide into multiply. And 7 by 35, that means 35 by 7. 5 and 35 is the multiple of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. What we get answer from here? 34 by 1. That is answer 34 only. Okay friends, answer is 34. So today students, you have to solve, today's your homework that you have to solve from question number 1 to question number 15. Write each question in your practice notebook. That is your homework. Okay students, from question number 1 to 15 you have to solve in your practice notebook. And in next period we will discuss question 16 to 25. Okay students, thank you.